Dear students, you are welcome to the Education Department at SHAHD Association. Our lesson today is about operations on fractions. Make sure to subscribe to our channel for more lessons and don't forget to activate the bell to stay notified. Tips for this lesson: to carry out calculations with fractions, to perform calculations on fractions by applying priority rule. What is a fraction? A fraction is a numerical quantity that is not a whole number, like 1 over 2, 3 over 2, 5 over 7, 3 over 4, and so on. In this fraction, 4 over 7, we call 4 numerator and 7 as denominator and the green dash as funiculum, and we read it as 4 parts out of 7 parts. Addition and subtraction of fractions. And now let's learn how to add and subtract fractions of like denominators. We need to follow these steps. Step 1. We need to make sure that the denominators are the same. Step 2. Add or subtract the numerators and put that answer over the same denominator. Step 3. We need to simplify the answer if applicable. Let's solve this example. 3 over 7 plus 5 over 7. So we only need to add 7 or to put 7 in the denominator as a common denominator, of course, and to write 3 plus 5 in the numerator. And the answer will be equal to 8 over 7. So you only need to put the common denominator and to add the numerator. 2 over 3 plus 11 over 3. Again, we put 3 as common denominator and we add 2 with 11. The final answer will be equal to 13 over 3. 1 over 5 plus 13 over 5 will be equal to 14 over 5. 15 over 10 minus 5 over 10. Again, we put 10 as a common denominator and we subtract 5 from 15. The answer will be equal to 10 over 10. And we said we need to simplify the fraction if needed. And we know 10 over 10 is equal to 1. Or we can divide the numerator and the denominator by 10. 90 over 12 minus 30 over 12. Again, we write 12 in the denominator and we subtract 30 from 90. The result will be equal to 60 over 12. Again, we can simplify it. 60 over 12 equal to 5. We are continuing in the same idea, but this time with unlike denominators. So we should follow the same previous steps, but we need to change only the first one, where we need to multiply the numerator and the denominator of either both fractions or one fraction so that the denominator become same. Let's solve an example. 3 over 4 plus 5 over 2. We need to change or to multiply the numerator and the denominator of the second fraction by 2 to make the denominators same. And the new fraction will be equal to 10 over 4. 5 times 2 equal 10, 2 times 2 equal to 4. Now we can take 4 as common denominator and we can add 3 with 10. The final result will be equal to 13 over 4. 30 over 7 minus 21 over 49. Again, we can multiply the 30 by 7 and 7 by 7. The new fraction will be equal to 210 over 49 minus 21 over 49. So we can now take 49 as common denominator and we subtract 21 from 210. The final result will be equal to 189 over 49. Now let's learn a new method. We can multiply the denominators by each other. we can do it directly without thinking by which number we should multiply in order to get a common denominator. So, first step, we multiply the denominators by each other. 11 times 3 equal to 33. Second step, we divide the new denominator by the old one and we multiply the result by 7. So 33 divided by 11 times 7. Again, we do the same for the second fraction, 33 divided by 3 times 8. So 33 divided by 11 equal to 3. 3 times 7 equal to 21. 33 by 3 equal to 11. 11 times 8 equal to 88. 21 minus 88 equal to minus 67. And we keep the denominator as it is, 33. Now multiplication of fractions. The first step, we multiply the numerators. The second step, we multiply the denominators, and we do simplification if applicable. So let's solve an example. 2 over 3 times 4 over 7. We only need to multiply 2 by 4 and 3 by 7. And the final result will be equal to 8 over 21. We do the same in the second example. 11 times 1 equal 11. 5 times 2 equal to 10. 5 times 2 equal to 10. 8 times 3 equal to 24. But here we can divide the numerator and the denominator each by 2. And the final result will be equal to 5 over 12. 13 times minus 2 equal to minus 26. 7 times 5 equal to 35. Division of fractions. In step 1, we need to turn the second fraction. And the step 2, step 3, same as the previous steps. Let's solve an example to understand the idea. 2 over 3 divided by 4 over 7. We need only to turn the second fraction. Or we can do cross multiplication directly. 2 times 7 over 4 times 3. The result will be equal to 14 over 12. Of course, we can do simplification for this result. Or we can reciprocate or turn the second fraction. 2 over 3 times 7 over 4, which is equal to 14 over 12. Of course, we need to simplify this fraction to 7 over 6. 8 over 9 divided by 3 over 2. Again, we can do cross multiplication directly. 8 times 2, 16. Over 9 times 3, 27. Or we can turn the second fraction and we can change the division to multiplication. So 8 over 9 times 2 over 3, 16 over 27. Thank you guys for watching. Try to contact with me if you have any question about this lesson and the previous lesson. Try to solve the worksheet and send me your answers. Stay safe and good luck. If you liked this lesson, make sure to subscribe to our channel for more. And don't forget to click the bell to get all the updates.